Everyone keeps telling you to start affiliate marketing, but nobody shows the high-paying programs they secretly use to make a full-time income. Until now. If you're struggling with affiliate marketing, chances are you don't have a well-paying product. 80% are dead end with low commission and won't make more than $5 to $20 per sale, and making more than $1,000 per month is close to impossible. But the good news is that I've just solved that problem. What if I told you there are affiliate programs that can generate you up to $1,000 with a single sale? Yes, you could potentially make your first $1,000 in just one sale. In this video, I'm going to reveal 5 high commission affiliate programs that you can promote in 2024. But I'm not just going to give you program links. I will also tell you everything about how to join them for free, the audience you need to target specifically for each program, and the exact strategy to reach them in the most efficient way without spending a single penny on paid ads. So, if you're ready to promote any of these, this single video will cover everything from A to Z. I know you must be very curious to see if I'm making these massive fake claims or actually have a weight behind my statements. Well, what are we waiting for? Let's find out. Starting with our first affiliate program, HubSpot. This is a leading CRM, which is basically customer relationship management and marketing platform that helps businesses generate leads and automate their marketing systems. So that tells you its customer pool has a higher net worth than an average person, and they can invest in a HubSpot if, as an affiliate, you can show how it can benefit their business or solve their problems. Coming over to its affiliate programs, it offers 3 tiers and even gives affiliate challenges for opportunities to earn more. And that sounds pretty interesting. Let's talk about the top benefits here. HubSpot gives you a 30% commission, which is for up to 1 year. That means for this year, every month, a user who joined with your affiliate link renews their subscription, you will get a share of the profits. And how much are we talking here? See, the pricing, it starts at $800 a month for Marketing Hub Professional and $3,600 for Enterprise. So if you calculate 30% from that, the commission comes out at $240 to $1,080 per sale. And trust me, this is just the starting point. The program also gives you a chance to level up to the higher tiers and earn additional bonuses, like if you manage to get 100 to 200 signups. Even higher, and you start getting custom commissions, which can go anywhere up to $1,000 or more. Another great thing about this program is that it gives you access to over 400 free marketing assets like banners, demo videos, landing pages, and copy examples, so you don't have to create content from scratch. And since HubSpot is offering you a heavy amount, it wants to make sure you are successful. So if you are, they get more sales, which is the perfect win-win scenario. That's why it offers plenty of training guides and resources and has a dedicated affiliate team that can help you every step of the way. I know it all sounds pretty amazing, so let's jump right into how you can join this program. All you have to do is just go to HubSpot affiliate program page, click on apply now to sign up, then accept the terms and conditions and fill out some information. Then just wait for HubSpot to review your application and contact you. And once it's approved, you can start promoting HubSpot using your affiliate links. Now, you must know something here. These high-ticket programs are usually somewhat exclusive, as in they don't accept everyone. And it makes sense. If they offer $1,000 in commissions, they need someone with a higher level of commitment. So you need to have a solid game plan on how you're going to promote this program. But don't worry, that's exactly why I'm here. I'm not gonna leave you blind. So let's move on to your target audience for this specific program. Like we talked in the starting, you have your local or online businesses. They can be of all sizes, from startups to large enterprises. Then marketing professionals, they are always on the lookout for a comprehensive platform to manage their campaigns, track performance, and analyze customer data. Or sales teams who can want to streamline their sales processes, manage leads, and close deals. Or for example, customer service teams. Again, they can improve and automate their customer support. And also some freelancers and private consultants if they have a large enough setup. Now the question is, where can you best reach them? You can try any approach, like social media building on Instagram or Facebook or YouTube, create blogs, websites, etc. But my advice would be to reach them directly via direct message or email, which has more chances of your content being seen. You can do that by finding these businesses directly on Google. Another trick is to try Google Maps for local options. Then get their email addresses and create an email template you can send to all of them. The structure should look something like this. Focus on highlighting how HubSpot can benefit their business and that they are missing out if they are not using it. Basically create FOMO. You can also see an example of an email template I create to promote logo designers services. Go through it and model your email after it. Don't forget to add your affiliate link, better to hyperlink it. Then just send and wait. The more emails you send, the higher your chances of conversion. And you can also try reaching your target audience on LinkedIn. That's an underrated approach. You just have to create posts and direct message professionals telling them about the benefits of the marketing platform. And you know what's the best part? Both of these approaches can fit perfectly for any of these programs. But just to give you more options and make things more exciting, I will also tell you more different strategies you can try for other programs ahead. So make sure to stick around till the end of the video. Moving on to second high-paying affiliate program, Legendary Marketer. This is a widely known online training program offering various courses on different business models like affiliate marketing, digital products, coaching, and consulting, etc., etc. It's created by David Sharp, and you might have heard of him. He is a digital marketing expert with over a decade of experience and has made 100 million in information products online. The main attraction of this program is the 5-day Learn and Launch Lead Challenge at just $5. Previously, this used to be the 15-day Business Builder Challenge costing $7. But as affiliate, your real profit is promoting these high-ticket blueprints priced at $2,500. And let's see how much percentage you can get from this. There are different commission structures such as 60% for subscription, 40% for courses, and 30% for coaching. That means you can make anywhere from $2 all the way up to $1,350. So the real money is in high-ticket upsells. You can direct people to affordable options like is the $5 challenge, and if they like it, you can direct them towards the blueprint. Now, in terms of the training, Legendary Marketer has a fully established team that will monitor and help you at every step. It also has a 2-hour training video that you must watch before actually accessing the affiliate links. Also, you don't necessarily have to buy these courses before you promote them, because this affiliate program is 100% free to join, and this is how you will do that. So you just need to apply to become a Legendary Marketer affiliate here, then give your basic information like is your name, your phone number, address, etc., and then just sign up. You will then need to submit links to your blog post, podcast, or whatever social media or media you are using to promote. For example, if you're using social media, you need to have a funnel in place that will be reviewed by the program's team. Then go through this affiliate agreement before you join, which looks like it was updated in April 2024, and that's good because you can confirm that things are up to date. And finally, watch the training video and get access to your links. Now let's talk about the people which are going to be ideal fit for Legendary Marketer. First, online entrepreneurs who want to start a profitable online business but still need help figuring out where to begin. Then people with some digital marketing experience who want to learn more about high-ticket online business models. Then it could be content creators who have a following and just looking for ways how to monetize their audience. But also business owners looking to expand their online presence and generate additional revenue. Or anyone interested in personal development, mindset, productivity, and self-growth. And you can find this audience in abundance on YouTube in the Make Money Online niche. And you can create videos talking about the pros and cons of this program, your experience with it, and course reviews. Those are actually extremely popular on YouTube because people want to verify products or services before they actually get them. And then just add your affiliate link in the description box below the video and make sure to tell people about it. To direct even more traffic towards your links, you can use these videos on Instagram or TikTok to build an audience and then funnel to your YouTube videos featuring affiliate links. QuickReel.io or Flixeer can be a great options to convert these long-form videos into the reels easily. Then you can share these videos in online communities to increase your chances of success. But the important thing is to remember it's not about spamming the people. That's an instant turn-off. Make sure that you are being genuine and authentic, because that is the only way how to get people to respond in 2024. Otherwise, you would be like me when I first started affiliate marketing, a creepy European spamming people in the US with shady links. You just don't want to do that. Okay, on number 3, we have the Binance. This platform is the Michael Jordan of crypto, or Usain Bolt, or Tom Brady, or Messi, or Ronaldo, depending on which sport you watch. I have to relate to all my global audience, guys. Binance is a digital marketplace where you can buy, sell, and trade different types of cryptocurrencies like is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, and many others, and you can even securely store them in your digital wallet here. Basically, if someone wants to start in crypto, this is the place to be. Top benefits of Binance affiliate programs are starting with high commission rates, because you can earn up to 50% commission on your referrals trading fees. And on top of that, it offers significant monthly bonuses of up to $72,000 on every qualified trade, making it one of the highest paying affiliate programs out there. If you see this chart, you can earn anywhere from $1,500 to $72,000 in bonuses. Trust me, it doesn't get better than this. You can get these additional bonuses based on the trading volume generated by your referrals. Now, you already know crypto has a huge amount of money. I mean, the industry is already at 2.36 trillion and the trend is only rising. And since Binance is the most reputable and trusted source in crypto right now, crypto, people will be more inclined to join, boosting your conversion rates. There is also no minimum payout requirement, but you will be paid via crypto. Now, to join the Binance affiliate program, what you need to do is to visit the Binance affiliate program page, then create a Binance account or log into existing account, then complete the application form, and also don't forget to agree to the terms and conditions, and then just submit your application and wait for approval. That's it. But I have to warn you though that not everyone can join this program. If you're individual, you need at least 5,000 followers or subscribers on social media platforms or 500 members in crypto communities. If you're a business, you must have a 2,000 user base or be a market analysis platform with 5,000 plus daily visits. This may seem a bit rigid, but again, considering that this program can give you 70,000 in just one bonus, it makes sense that they are demanding that you have a concrete promotional approach and strong understanding of the target audience. By setting higher standards, Binance can attract affiliates more likely to succeed and generate higher revenue for the platform. Ultimately, this benefits both the affiliates and the company. Now, in terms of target audience, the thing is not many people are actually interested in crypto because it can be a risky investment, but that doesn't mean you have any shortage of audience. You just need to look for crypto enthusiasts who don't want to miss any chance of investing in cryptocurrencies, then traders who want to get digital assets, investors trying to get into cryptocurrency market, or developers interested in building apps on the Binance Smart Chain, or companies looking to accept cryptocurrencies payments or integrate into their operations. But I would say 98% of traffic that you can potentially generate for the Binance affiliate program are going to be beginners which are just looking for some investing opportunity to multiply their money laying in the bank instead of just losing them due to inflation. Now, to promote this program, these people are literally everywhere on Twitter or X. That's the perfect social media platform to connect with them, get to know them better, and recommend Binance. You can easily create thousands of tweets, but make sure that you're offering free value in a casual conversational tone. The ultra-formal ChatGPT post won't run with this crowd. Then creating a community on X, Discord, or Reddit is another great option. You can stay in touch with people in a crypto, have discussions, and share the latest news and developments. To begin, you can just check out all these communities about crypto and model what they are already doing. The advantage of the community is that once you will have established audience or people which are sharing value daily or sharing some tips, it's going to also attract more people from the background, and so you are going to be earning more money from the affiliate program. So yes, for this affiliate program, you do need a little bit of pre-game, like setting up your account or community first, then completing Binance requirements, and then actually start recommending. But you know what? It's actually better this way, because if you win your audience trust first and then promote, they would be more willing to buy. That way, it will be like a suggestions from a friend. Moving on to fourth high-paying affiliate product, Smart Proxy. In a world where the internet should be accessible 24/7, it's honestly shocking how many countries still struggle with blockage or restrictions. I know many of my viewers face the same issue. This is where the Smart Proxy comes in, and it has a great affiliate program. It offers up to $50 in commissions and has so many solutions and products in a wide price range from 80 cents all the way up to $7,000 per month. And as affiliate, you can make as high as $2,500 for every customer that joins Smart Proxy with your affiliate link. Though obviously that depends on which product your customers actually buy. Smart Proxy even allows you to use religious or political content while promoting it. You can leverage this to target political decisions to block or restrict internet access in home countries to relate more to their public. And of course, it makes sense that unlike the internet, this program has no geopolitical limitations. Anyone can promote it from anywhere in the world. The joining process is again like every other program. You can even check out its detailed guide for this. The great thing about Smart Proxy is that it offers different solutions, and this is where you can find your audience. For example, it offers residential proxies and mobile proxies, and both can be great for regular domestic internet users. You can also target small-scale companies, brands, and freelance agencies struggling with internet access. And Smart Proxy also offers scraping options, which is basically extracting publicly accessible information or data from websites. E-commerce brands and any sales or marketing department can hugely benefit from this. Coming over to how to promote. For this, I want you to search for countries facing GEO restrictions specifically. Then you can create small tutorials like this and upload them to Instagram and TikTok and any other social media. Just make sure you are adding locations for each country when uploading them. You can direct the traffic towards your link in the bio, which features your affiliate link, and that's basically it. You can even get into meme marketing with this, which is basically taking trending memes and fitting them to your topic, brand, or solution. You can take information from all of these, and also this what is actually example of an actual VPN company meme. They are so easy to make that you can do it on Canva, share them on social media like is Reddit, Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, etc. with your affiliate link, and you have the opportunity to reach even higher figures in commissions. Now, before I reveal the final one, as a bonus, I want you to introduce to an online marketplace where you can find more high commission deals like the ones on the list. This is called Partnerstack, and it's basically a platform designed to help businesses to build and scale their partner programs. It specifically deals with software and tech products, and as you know, this market is highly profitable, already over 700 billion, so programs, especially in this niche, have the potential to make you tens of thousands of dollars. That's why you can find many exclusive high-ticket programs here, like is for example this one, Papaya Global, which offers $1,000 for an opportunity close deals and $2,000 for each client, or also this one, Tresorit, that pays up to $2,000 per sale, and SimilarWeb offers $2,400 commission. Partnerstack even has its own affiliate programs that pays $15 for every qualified lead. Combine this with other affiliate programs and you can make anywhere from $5,000 to more than $20,000 monthly. Now finally moving to the last and most unexpected program on this list, Villiers Jets. Who knew you can even promote private jets as an affiliate marketer? But it is literally so easy, and you might think that this program is only for the high-end population, but turns out there are plenty of opportunities even for regular folks, like empty leg flights available at discounted rates. So Villiers Jets want you to connect them with the people looking for private jet charters, and they're willing to pay substantial commission. Let's take a look at how much. Okay, according to this, you can earn up to $1,000 per flight, what is actually 30% of profit share. The program goes even further because it's offering recurring commissions throughout the lifetime of each referred client. So whenever your client books a flight, you keep getting paid, but you also get access to Villiers' extensive network of over 10,000 private aircrafts and 40,000 global destinations. So you essentially will have something for everyone. You would be paid via PayPal or wire transfer within 14 days after the flight has been confirmed and flown, just to, make sure the booking is verified and you get accurate payouts. Now, in terms of joining the affiliate program, surprisingly, becoming a private jet affiliate is as easy as any other independent affiliate program. You just need to go to the Villiers website and click Become an Affiliate Program, then fill out the simple form requiring your name, email ID, and password, and just hit submit. Once your application is approved, you will get access to their affiliate dashboard where you can find all the marketing materials, also track your performance, and manage commissions. What is the most important part? Now, in terms of target audience, you of course need to be targeting high net worth individuals and businesses looking for private jet charter services. It could be also travel agents specializing in luxury travel that can introduce their clients to private jet options. And also luxury lifestyle bloggers and content creators who focus on high-end products and services and would love to feature a private jet experience in their content. Or maybe just fake Instagram influencers and online gurus that want to look more rich than they actually are. But jokes aside, was it a joke? So moving on next to networking professionals and event planners who might need access to private jet for corporate events and meetings, or even fly their VIP guests in a style as a perk. And also could be aviation enthusiasts who want to know everything about jets inside out. You can find plenty of them on social media raving about jets and their specifications, sharing their knowledge and experiences with their audience. They would get anything to get an opportunity to fly in a private plane. But a key thing to mention is that Villiers wants you to avoid countries like India, Pakistan, and South Africa for higher ROI, just because their services might be affected there. Now, in terms of promotional strategy, there can be two different approaches based on this target audience. The regular folks like aviation lovers, influencers, and bloggers, you should create a faceless Instagram account based on luxurious air travel. Exactly how this account is doing this, you just need to add a call to action in the bio saying you can leave the high life too, just click to book your private flight, and then just add landing page or affiliate link directly, and that's it. For the content, you can just create a luxury faceless page where you are going to be showing clips of the high life and create a 5-10 seconds reel, something like this, or you can go also for something similar to this and this. Now, moving on to high net worth individuals and companies, I believe email marketing is going to be more suitable because that way you come off as a more professional. Again, like the first product, you can find this on Google or reach them directly via email. And those were all the top high commission programs for 2024. The only thing to remember about them is that since they pay more, they demand more. You have to invest more time, effort, and energy. But one thing is for sure, you will be rewarded for every minute of it. Let me know in the comments if you want to know more about programs like this. Or if you want a detailed strategy, go to my YouTube channel and find the exact step-by-step process to go from 0 to 1,000 grand in just one sale. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like. And if you want to see more tutorials, more high quality content like this, make sure that you are going to leave a subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are not going to miss any of the new videos. And if you finished watching this video, you have more clarity on how to get high quality and high commission product. But if you're still struggling with the promotional strategy and you don't actually know how to get a high commission product, products to the customers, then I highly advise you to check the first link down below in the description, because on this link you are going to discover my 3-day online profits masterclass, in which I'm going to show you exactly how you can launch your whole affiliate marketing business, from the product to the promotion to the automation to the traffic, and how to actually make your first commission as soon as possible. So if you want to get the most affordable mentorship for just $7, then the masterclass down below in the description is where you should look. But now this was everything for this video. I'm wishing you a fantastic day, and I will see you in the next one.